Here we have the WORKPRO 3/8 drive socket set. This is a 10-piece metric CR-V socket set, and it comes with the organizer. So you're getting pretty much two tools in one. Now, this is a point standard and shallow sockets. The range is 7mm to 17mm, which gets a lot of things done in the automotive and home world. And the rail is very sturdy, very colorful, and it will last a long time and keep you organized. So it's great for anti-rolling. This way your sockets aren't rolling around, and you can store it in your drawer. And if you're not sure what size socket you need for the job, take the whole rail with you for convenience. So the numbers are big and bold, easy to see. They're laser engraved, and the polish on the finish is very beautiful. So you're going to get strength, durability, and it's going to be a long-lasting tool. And that's what you want out of your tool. WORKPRO has a wide range of tools, and I love working with them because their stuff is quality. Now the fit and the transfer gives anti-slip prevention, and you need that exact because you really don't want to strip ties, and you want it to go on and off the ratchet as smooth as possible to get the job done right. And have you ever put down a round socket and it rolled away from you and you can't find it, making the job more frustrating? Well, it has 6 flat sides preventing rolling, and you could also use wrenches on it. So in a tight spot, you may need to get it off with a wrench. You have the 6 sides on the socket itself to put that wrench on there and get you started, or keep it from rolling away. Super convenient. It just makes this multifaceted what would be an average socket set, but this is like 2 levels above average. So I really like this. It's good quality product. It's innovative with all these designs built into it. Just put it in your cart, buy with confidence if you're looking for a set this size.